This video will show you how to break down a question that has multiple parts that you have to write about when you are writing a constructed response or short answer response or a long answer response. So this question says, explain the scientific revolution's impact on the modern world. First, explain what is meant by the modern world. Then give examples of two major contributors to the scientific revolution. What were their contributions and how did these advances affect us today? Your response should be 2 to 3 well-written paragraphs. That sounds like a lot, and it is in a way, but let's break it down. First of all, that first sentence, explain the scientific revolution and its impact on the modern world, that's more or less a topic for what it's asking you to write about. The next part says, first, explain what is meant by the modern world. It is even telling you what to write about first. What is meant by the modern world? So that's going to be your first paragraph, explaining what the modern world means, how the scientific revolution impacts the modern world in general. That's your first paragraph. But since we're changing ideas, that's all that's going to go in that paragraph. Next, it says then, it's even giving you a transition word to tell you what to write next. You're going to give examples of two major contributors to the scientific revolution. And you're going to tell two different things. What were their contributions and how do these advances affect us today? Don't dismiss the and part. You don't want to lose track of the and because you have to write about both. So your second paragraph, paragraph 2, is your first example, their contributions and how the advances affected us today. And your third paragraph is your second example, their contributions and how the advances affect us today. And hopefully by seeing how you break down a question and then you make sure that you've included all of the parts, you can see how to effectively build your constructed response. Don't forget, in Microsoft Word, if you're typing, you can use the dictate tool. You can also have it read back to you by going to the review menu and clicking on read aloud. Good luck.